Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. So today I'm going to create Valentine's Day makeup but make it bold, classy and powerful. This is the power of a red lip look, soft eyes, glowing skin and a statement lips. So without wasting any more time, let's get starting this video. I am starting with a glow serum to prep my skin and add that natural Valentine glow from within.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold.
Next, primer cream to smooth out the skin and make the makeup last all day and night.
Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die, let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean.
Next, I am applying a pH blush cream first. This gives a natural flush and blends beautifully under foundation.
Know when the tears couldn't hide, you're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wait.
Next, going in with my Forever 52 foundation. I am blending this evenly for a flawless skin-like base.
A frown, friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your
Next, using concealer to cover dark circles, pimples, acne and any spots and blending it seamlessly into the skin.
embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Now setting everything lightly with Maybelline loose powder for a smooth finish. Next I am using Maybelline Flex powder foundation. I am pressing powder foundation on top to lock the base and added extra coverage. Next I am using Nika bronzer, adding warmth using a brown bronzer to sculpt the face naturally. Filling in my brows softly to frame the face. Now move on to eyeshadow. I am going to use Swiss Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. Using a light brown nude shade all over the eyes for a soft romantic base. I am creating a soft eyeliner using black eyeshadow powder, subtle but defined. Finishing the eyes with mascara for a lifted, fluttery lashes. Baking the nose corners lightly with loose powder for a clean, sharp look. Overlining my lips slightly with a dark brown lip liner for a definition. Now the star of the look, a bold red lipstick. This is where the power comes in. Adding a pH silver lip gloss with a brush for a shine and a luxe finish. Gently removing the baking powder to reveal a smooth, flawless base. Locking everything in with a makeup setting spray.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to like.
And yeah, this is the final look. Soft, glowing skin, subtle eyes and powerful red lips. This look is all about confidence, self-love and owning your beauty. Because on Valentine's Day, the most important love story is the one you have with yourself. If you loved this power of red lip makeup look, don't forget to like, share and save this video. Comment if you're choosing bold red lips this Valentine's. And follow me for more makeup looks that make you feel confident and unstoppable. Bye-bye.